the David Foster Wallace activity that's in Schoology, and it looks like this, once you can get your interwebs to work for you, is what we'll be working on and finishing today. Okay, so as a reminder, my loves, David Foster Wallace, the reason we chose this piece is because he's a contemporary. Remember, Thoreau and Emerson, they were all writing in the 1800s, yeah? This is a speech that Foster Wallace gave to the graduates of Kenyon College in 2005. So it is much, much more recent, yes? The reason that we're reading it is because it shows how these ideas, these transcendental ideas of like finding yourself, doing the best for yourself, living by that true, code of who you are, and then being good in the world and making sure that you, continue to put that good out in the world, is something that he talks about in this speech in a really interesting way. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to just go ahead and we're going to bust through the reading part. And then just like with the Emerson and the Thoreau, there are questions that go with it, okay? These questions, or the questions associated with this piece aren't as much about like you don't have to do as many summaries and things like that because it is more current language, so it's a little bit easier for you to understand. So it'll just be the questions that you're actually answering about the passages, okay? Are we good so far? Yeah? Okay. So let me stop this recording.